Hi everyone, welcome to Harsha Trainings. My name is Ram. In today's session, we are going to talk about what is DevOps, future of DevOps. So before going to the session, please subscribe our channel and click on bell icon to get the latest updates. So let's get started with the first one. Basically, what is DevOps? So DevOps is a development and operations. It's a combination of development and operations, right? It's not a programming language. It's not a operating system. It's not a tool as well. DevOps is a methodology or set of practices, right? That combines software development and IT operations, right? DevOps model helps you to improve businesses and high-speed applications and deliver scalable applications. So under DevOps model, we can easily build the teams, effective teams, and we can improve the businesses. So currently DevOps market is, so when you check in different portals, right? So like LinkedIn, Naukri, Monster, Indeed, so plenty of openings are there. So why the openings are here? So because companies are taking new projects. Every year, new projects are coming in, right? So in second quarter, when we check the status of the DevOps projects, so it reaches to 80% of the projects. So currently, so when you check the market, right? So DevOps is in second place. So going forward, right? So many projects are in pipeline. So maybe, so after 1 year, right? So most of the project teams, they are migrating to DevOps. So why they are migrating to DevOps? Because automation, everywhere automation, right? So what is automation? Automation is nothing but, so currently whatever activities we are doing in manual way, like patching activities, code deployments, code merging, code pulling, so whatever activities, that activities we can do in automated way. By single click, we can deploy n number of applications. By single click, we can deploy the code. We can pull the code. We can push the code. We can merge the code, right? So currently, we are using very advanced tools, which are like Kubernetes, Docker, Ansible, Chef, right? And also Terraform. These are the very core tools, very advanced tools. By using these tools, we can automate any activities. So currently the market is growing, keep on growing. So maybe after 1 year, so most of the project teams, they are migrating to DevOps. Yeah, what is the future of DevOps? Fine. So the demand for the DevOps is keep on growing. So because currently there is no admin roles, right? So admins are moving to DevOps roles. Developers are moving to DevOps roles. So because, so automation is the number one choice. Currently automation is the number one choice, right? Everywhere, not only IT industry. So everywhere when we go with pharma companies, medical industry, chemical, automobile industry, everywhere automation is the number one choice, right? So when we talk about automation, right? So we can automate the manual activities. So why we automate manual activities here? Because of cost cutting, right? So cost cutting, so the project teams are migrating to DevOps. Fine. So when you want to run any digital applications, we require Kubernetes. Why we require Kubernetes? Right? Kubernetes is having auto scaling, auto healing, self-recovery, right? So these are the highly scalable features, right? So that is why digital applications, most of the applications, they are hosting on Kubernetes. Because, so when we book any product in online, so that will be delivered within minutes only. Because of backend, we have Kubernetes, Docker, right? So these are the highly scalable applications. To conclude, DevOps is having a bright future. So currently, who is working as a developer or tester or admin, they are switching to DevOps role currently. So because of bright future, right? So this is the right time to grab. So this is the right time to switch into DevOps role. So because, so future is DevOps. So everywhere automation, right? Every company, they are using automation tools. Fine? Yeah. Thank you all.